In this video, we are going to make a 3D number fill box. To begin, upload a number SVG file to Cricut Design Space. The default size is 9.8 inch height. If you are happy with the size, just click Make It. To resize, turn off the eye icon on the right hand side panel. Turn the number layer back on only. Click the top to select the whole group. Type in the size you like. And click the eye icon twice to turn back on the all elements and click Make It. Before assembling, make sure all elements have been cut out. Folding lines are cut as dotted lines, so there is no scoring tools required. Check the instruction PDF to see where each piece goes and which direction to fold and curl. Locate where the number 1 piece goes. Fold and curl the piece before putting glue. Follow the number order to continue assembling. That's it, you have made a 3D fill box. Hope you enjoy this project.